Hi everyone. Today I'm here to share my top 10 tips to help you keep your shag rug looking new. Welcome to our YouTube video on 10 ways to keep your shag rugs looking new. These days, shag rugs are a popular choice for home decor and can add a touch of style and comfort to any room. But shag rugs can easily become matted and dirty over time. So, in this video, we'll share some tips and tricks on how to keep your shag rugs looking like new for years to come. We'll start off by talking about the importance of vacuum cleaning your shag rug on a regular basis. Vacuuming the rug at least once a week will help remove any dirt and dust that has settled on the rug. We'll also show you how to use a carpet rake to further loosen and remove debris from deep within the rug. Next, we'll discuss the importance of spot cleaning. We'll give you some tips on how to spot clean any spills or stains that may occur on your shag rug. We'll also show you how to use a damp cloth to gently scrub away any tough spots. We'll also talk about the importance of keeping your rug out of direct sunlight. Sunlight can cause fading and discoloration of your shag rug over time, so it's important to keep it away from any direct sources of light. Finally, we'll share some tips on how to rotate and flip your shag rug. Doing this on a regular basis will help to keep it from becoming uneven and matted. So, if you want to keep your shag rug looking like new, be sure to check out our video 10 ways to keep your shag rugs looking new. So grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. Step 1. Vacuum your rug regularly. Vacuuming your rug helps remove built-up dirt and dust that can accumulate over time. Make sure to use a vacuum with a beater bar to really get deep down into the fibers and remove all of the dirt and debris. Vacuuming regularly also helps to keep the fibers of your rug from matting down. Step 2. Spot clean your rug. Spot cleaning is a must when it comes to keeping your shag rug looking new. Whenever you notice a stain or spill, quickly grab a cloth and some mild detergent to work on the spot. Don't scrub too hard and be sure to only use cold water. Step 3. Avoid harsh chemicals. Harsh chemicals like bleach and ammonia can damage the fibers of your rug and cause colors to fade. Stick to mild detergents and spot cleaners when cleaning your rug. Step 4. Avoid direct sunlight. Sunlight can cause colors to fade and fibers to break down. Try to avoid placing your rug in an area with direct sunlight as much as possible. Step 5. Rotate your rug. Rotating your rug from time to time will help to prevent wear and tear on one area of the rug. This will also help to keep the colors of your rug from fading and the fibers from matting down. Step 6. Avoid using too many cleaning products. You don't need to go overboard with cleaning products when it comes to your shag rug. Stick to mild detergents and spot cleaners when needed and avoid using too many harsh chemicals. Step 7. Use a rug pad. Using a rug pad will help to protect the fibers of your rug and will also help to prevent it from slipping and sliding. Step 8. Use a carpet sweeper. A carpet sweeper is a great tool to use when it comes to cleaning your shag rug. It will help to remove any dirt and debris that a vacuum might miss. Step 9. Vacuum in different directions. Vacuuming in multiple directions will help to ensure that you get all of the dirt and debris that might be embedded in the fibers of your rug. Step 10. Have your rug professionally cleaned. Having your rug professionally cleaned once a year will help to ensure that it stays looking new. Professional cleaners can deep clean your rug and get it looking like new again. Well, there you have it. Those are my top 10 tips for keeping your shag rug looking new. From vacuuming regularly to spot cleaning, these tips will help to keep your rug looking fresh and inviting for years to come. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning. Subscribe to our channel for more.